What's up, my people? Today we are looking at number 5 of the long division on polynomials. So we have here, as our dividend, we have negative 9x cubed plus 86x squared minus 46x plus 9, and it is being divided by the divisor of x minus 9. You will notice we take our divisor and put it on the outside here and our dividend and put it on the inside. At this point, what we have to do is see what multiplies by the first term in our divisor to give us the first term in our dividend. So we want to know, what do we multiply x by to get negative 9x cubed? Well, when we just have an x without a coefficient, the coefficient is 1. So we're going to take 1 times negative 9 to get the negative 9. Now to get from x to x cubed, we're going to multiply by an x squared. So we are going to take negative 9x squared. Now, you will notice that just for position-wise, to make it easier in some cases, I am going to put the x squared in the place value of where my other x squared is. So I'm putting it above the 86x squared. When I take negative 9x squared times x, I get negative 9x cubed. When I take negative 9x squared times negative 9, or minus 9, I'm going to get positive 81x squared. Now, I am subtracting, so I am going to have to distribute a negative into both the negative 9x cubed and the positive 81x. So I'm going to take this and change it to plus 9x cubed minus an 81x squared. So at this point, the 9x cubes cancel. 86x squared minus 81x squared is 5x squared. Alright, so I have two terms in my divisor. I need to divide it into two terms, so I'm going to bring this negative 46x, this minus 46x, right on down. Now, what multiplies by x to get us 5x squared? You say, simple, dummy. It is plus 5x. So I take 5x times x, I get 5x squared. 5x times negative 9, I get negative 45x. At this point, I am once again going to change my signs because I'm subtracting, so I have to do it to both terms. And what I'm subtracting down here, so I get negative 5x squared plus 45x. I am left with a negative x. Alright, and I need to bring this 9 right on down. Plus 9. Okay, so as I take a look here, I need to get this x, I need to make it a negative x. So my last step up here on the top is to do a minus 1. It's kind of funny because now we make this negative x plus 9. And then we're going to switch our signs because we're subtracting. And we get 0. So no remainder. Since we have no remainder, we can be, we are done. We can take our quotient as our answer. And we have the worst looking 5x in the world. But it's negative 9x squared plus 5x minus 1. And once again, if I were to multiply that by the x minus 9, I should end up with my dividend that I started with. Thank you very much and have a wonderful productive day.